sa ano na. Anong adlaw?
Welcome to the Runners of Gilas. This is your first time, ma'am, to participate the Mango Eat All You Can? Oh, first time. How's the taste of mango so far?
Tamis tayo.
Tamis kaayo. Ano sa ano yung Tagalog or sa inyong lingwahe, ma'am, na masarap talaga?
Di ba? Lamig tayo.
Lami kaayo, abyan. Wow. Welcome and enjoy the mango, guys. Welcome.
Yes.
Okay, of course, Abian, so may ari ko na bisita all the way from Liga SA Iloilo. Sir, good morning. Welcome to Guimaras. Welcome to Mangan Festival. Sino nga to, sir?
Ayan, sir.
Okay, so sir, ayan. So far, tapos kinakaon sa paho.
Tapos, sir.
Okay, so pilang na urot naton.
Hindi malang, sir.
Limagid. I love you very much, grabe. So,
Yes.
kumusta ang paho sa Guimaras?
Malangit namin, sir. Daw asawa ko namin. Asawa ko namin.
Okay.
Okay na to.
Okay na to. Hindi na tapos sa punta.
Asawa ka namin.
Ang bali sir, namit ko no. Okay sir, thank you so much. Thank you. Okay ma'am, ikaw ang banamis. Asawa ni sir.
Hindi na perdib yan, no?
Hindi ka pwede.
Naog na. So, welcome to the province of Guimaras. Mahuloy, unang yung grupo, biyang ba't kinapilit, bigyan ng
Yes, ako na yan, that's the spirit.
But they came here sa Guimaras to enjoy and taste the sweetest mango in the world. Again, welcome to the province of Guimaras.
Yes, and of course, again, please clean as you go. So please.
Minimum health protocols for their own safety.
Yes, and of course, the registration fee, no? This at the registration area is 100 pesos per participant.
Yes.
Children 6
Yes.
years old and below will pay 50% or 50 pesos.
Yes, and there will be 8 batches per day, and each batch will have a duration of 30 minutes.
Eating shall be done by bare hands. So if the participants opt to use a knife, spoon, or any aid in eating, they should provide one for themselves.
Yes, and of course, the activity is strictly self-service. Participants can have additional serving by raising their hands, and the designated staff will provide them.
And of course, Abiano, we will practice clean as you go or Claygo policy by disposing peelings and seeds at the designated collecting bins in the assigned area dito, Abiano, to pass
area. And last but not the least, ladies and gentlemen, one of the most important, participants are not allowed to take out unconsumed mango.
Yes, so hindi pwede madala puli. So dapat iinta mo diri.
Basi may anak na sang kung sang mango grade.
Okay, so everybody, are you ready?
Yes, okay, Naya, are you all ready?
Okay, so if you're going to peel your mango, so you have to start from the tip down up to the bottom. So again, hindi ka start sa tip down up to the bottom. So hindi pwede din kung baga kung isa ang tagok sa pao, so kung sa magkaon ka mo, syempre, of course, mag-allergy ka mo. Okay, so again, you have to start from the tip down up to the bottom. And after you eaten your mango, so please don't drink plenty of water or else you will find ACR, okay? You know what I mean? So just a sip.
Yes.
Alright?
I think everybody is now ready, no, Abian?
Mabuhay! Welcome to Mangan Festival 2025!
And welcome to Mango Eat All You Can!
I am Nikki!
I'm just real!
Rodian!
We are from the Gimaras Full of Hosts!
Yeah.
Alright, so everybody, are you ready? Alright, so please raise your name! Alright, please! And let's do the countdown in 10,
di ba?
8, 7,
Ito.
6, 5, 4,
Kaon lang.
3, 2, 1! So enjoy your mangoes, guys!
All time for 100 pesos.
Ay, hindi ba yan? Sa Salinga Batch, sa palagay ko yan, na sila yung may mas pinakamaraming
Yes, hopefully we'll see.
Today, we have the
15.
15 to beat.
Yes.
15
mangoes to beat.
Third batch.
from Tagmak, Iloilo.
Yan ang lumoy lang ro pa deliso. Ang iba niya isa lang maubos nila.
Okay.
Well, we are allowed to say more the sweetest mango in the world before we're not doing
Mga natural eaters. Yung mga OA.
All over the world. Okay. So nakita natin ang biyak sa mga aga. So manabigyan nila kayo po sa pagpagod sa pinakamatamis na pako sa bilog na kalibutan. Okay. So good morning, ma'am, and welcome to Magahan Festival 2025. What's your name? Okay, so Tiffany, where are you from? Oh, you're from United States of America. So welcome here to the province of Minas. Welcome to Magahan Festival 2025. Is this your first time here? Okay. Okay, so
Hari kami sa Guimaras, say hi to Pab.
wow, so thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for coming. Okay, so how was your experience so far? All right.
Awesome.
Okay, so if you could rate the mangoes from 1 to 10, so 1 is the lowest and 10 is the highest. Wala, 10 again. How would you rate it? All right, so 10 plus. Okay, so thank you so much, ma'am. And I hope you enjoy eating your mango. So please come back, please come back.
They are eating
Okay, yes, Abian.
Yes, Abian, we have our friends here from Iloilo, si Ma'am Babes. Ma'am Babes, welcome to the province of Guimaras. So, how was your experience in Mango Eating? So fun!
Wow, so fun.
And of course, ma'am, sinupod mo na rin si Bo na nagkakadto sa Guimaras. Yes, Abian, thank you so much, ma'am. No? Upo niyo ang family, Abian, no? Ang experience ang Mango Eat All You Can. Thank you so much,
Yes. So kung namin yung mga tao sa pakunod-kunod ng mga pamilya.
Yes, chapter na yan.
Yes, and of course, on this table we have the from
Badyangan, Iloilo!
Bigyan mo sa search lang po rin.
Badyangan.
Grabing energy.
We have from Mr. Badyangan in Iloilo, we have Ma'am Maria. First time mo ni Ma'am na mag-attend or mag-participate sa Mango Eat All You Can.
Yes, first time ko get mag-attend here.
Kamusta ang first time?
Tama kita namin ang tao sa Guimaras!
Wow! Word of the day namin.
Grabe. Thank you and enjoy ng mango. And of course, sa mga kapag ng table, nag-share sa table at yan. We have here from
Busaw Coffee!
Mambusaw Coffees. Welcome to the Magahan Festival. First time yun ni Ma'am na mag-attend. Every year, wala absent
Oh,
yun.
grabe. Every year. Thanks, ma'am. Yes.
So thank you and welcome and enjoy the mango. Abyan.
Yes, and of course, Abian, all the way we have friends here from Bacolod City. All right, so good morning, sir. Welcome to Magahan Festival. What's your name?
Wilbur. What? From DA.
Okay, so Sir Wilmer, so sino sa buong pod naton? Alright, so friends, so first time na experience ang Mango Eat All You Can? Wow,
Every year.
grabe. So every year, so palapakadaan ay si Sir, grabe.